What's up, boys? Welcome back. It's a perfect day. It's raining, it's cold, it's wet. But I feel like being in here to finish working on my sister's 335i. What I'm gonna do is tighten up the engine support, and then tighten this bad boy up, get in the meat, and start to continue to drop the subframe. Hopefully we get it down today, get the oil pan off, clean everything up, and get this back out because I need to work on my own stuff. So let's get it. Breaker bar, we're gonna need this. Also gonna need, yes, we are gonna need the adapter. Let's see where we're at. All right, let's see if I can remember where we were. I gotta move this tire. We don't have that much to do. Let's just get to work. Let me set you guys up. Same thing on the other side too. Okay, so while I wait for the PB blaster to soak, I'm gonna start doing the steering rack. I think there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just start doing that right now. Get some good leverage. It's all about leverage. Yeah. Strength. What happened now? Nothing. There we go. There's my tight. Broken enough. Don't strip nothing here. There we go. Good boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 more to go. 4 more to go. We need to go out the control on. Easy from the jump. Let's go. Yep. That's loosey goosey. Yes. All right, boys. This line right here has to come down. They're just held in by some like push, whatever you call these things. You just got to pull them down. This line too has to come. What is that, a coolant line? Yes. Yes, it is. That has to come off, held in by these little push-in things.
Suspension, the rotor, the whole drum. That's what you're actually gonna have to hold steady. So there we go.
Just need you. Drag it down. There we go. Goes down. There we go. Goes down. There we go.
I was just like, hey, yo, I seem like it's gonna heal, like when you put together your crib. Yeah, we don't need that. And I was just like, there are screws for a reason. He's like, it's good. Look, it's not gonna fall out of it. You know what? Four extra things. I'm just like, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Why are there extra screws? It's fine. Look, look.
I don't want to mess with this coolant line. All the antifreeze will just come down like. Psst. All right, boys. You know what? Okay. You got the steering rack off both sides, and I was gonna go for this bolt here. Then I thought to myself, forget that. I'm gonna leave this attached to the subframe. Remove this part here. So when I take this out, it comes down with the subframe. I took down the wires, and we also have to remove this coolant line. Like the light is, come on. Also got to remove this coolant line, and then that's it. You just keep going. That is to remove